In today's video, I want to show you how to find downloads on iPhone. To find all your downloads on iPhone, this is what you can do. I want you to open up your Files app. I have the Files app here in blue color. So just tap on the Files app to open it up. So once you open up the Files app, if you check the bottom right corner, you are going to see where it says Browse. So I want you to tap on that Browse at the bottom right corner. So once you tap on that Browse, I want you to tap on My Phone. You can see where it says On My Phone. I want you to tap on that On My Phone. So once you tap on that, you just want to look for the downloads here and tap on it. So you can see this is where all your downloads goes to by default from your Safari. So anything you download from Safari, it goes here by default. So this is how you can actually check the downloads on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.